Ukraine's interior ministry has officially placed the head of Russia's Orthodox Church, Patriarch Kirill, on a wanted list. This bold move comes after security services accused him of supporting the Kremlin's ongoing conflict against Kyiv. However, it's essential to note that this action is symbolic, as Patriarch Kirill is currently in Russia and faces no immediate threat of arrest. This development marks the latest chapter in Ukraine's efforts to dismantle the influence of religious figures with alleged ties to Russia as they strive to safeguard Ukrainian society. A post on the Ukrainian ministry's wanted list identified Kirill by name, showed him in his cleric robes, as described him an individual in hiding from the bodies of a pre-trial investigation. It said he had been missing since November 11th. Orthodox Christianity is the dominant faith in Ukraine, and authorities in Kyiv have launched criminal cases against clergy linked to a branch of the Orthodox Church once directly linked to the Russian Church and Kirill. Parliament in Kyiv is considering a bill that would ban that branch of the church, which has lost many of its parishioners since Kremlin leader Vladimir Putin sent Russian troops into Ukraine in February 2022. The church says it served all links to Moscow in May 2022. Ukraine's SBU security service last month issued a document saying Kirill infringed Ukrainian sovereignty under his position as part of the closest entourage of Russia's military and political leadership. As security forces intensify their crackdown, numerous criminal cases, including charges of treason, have been filed against priests and officials associated with that branch of the church aligned with Moscow. Patriarch Kirill had strongly condemned these actions, urging global cleric leaders to intervene and halt Ukraine's campaign against the church. In response to the Ukrainian ministry placing Kirill on the wanted list, a senior official from the Russian church, Vladimir Legoida, denounced the move as a step that is ridiculous as it is predictable. According to Legoida, Ukrainian authorities are engaging in lawlessness and attempting to intimidate parishioners. This escalating situation adds to the already complex web of tensions surrounding religious affiliations in Russia and Ukraine.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.